Hello and welcome to another edition of the PHN Roundup, your news update for all things Port Huron Northern and Blue Water area. I'm Griffin Lee.
And I'm Ellie Hagan, and here are your stories of the week. The school year is finally coming to an end, but before we can go, we still have to take our final exams. Next week, exams will take place on Tuesday, June 9th through the 11th. First and second hour exams will be on Tuesday, third and fourth on Wednesday, and lastly, exams will conclude with the fifth and sixth hour on Thursday, June 11th. Before exams start, make sure to grab a breakfast in the morning and eat a small lunch in between exams. If you are exempt from any exams, a guardian will have to call the main office so your absence will be excused. Once the exam period begins, students will not be able to be called out of class. Good luck on exams!
Before Memorial Day weekend, students from AP Seminar and AP Research showed off a year's worth of hard work in an AP Capstone showcase. Roundup reporter Cadence Farquhar tells us more about the showcase.
Continuing on with the end of AP testing, our AP Seminar, AP Research, and AP Engineering students put together a capstone showcase on May 21st consisting of all the research and work from the last year. Taking a closer look at what our Huskies put together for the showcase, we can see a wide variety of topics and issues that they have covered, from sports to hate speech, from stress to mental development, and everything in between. There was a great turnout of support from parents, friends, and family of the presenters interested in hearing more about the topics that they have thoroughly researched. Though I wonder how many people were just there for the candy, since there were a lot of people offering candy in exchange for people's attention and their vote. Speaking of the vote, we have our winners for the Capstone Showcase, and they are Abigail Lake as the most engaging presenter, Adrian Vera Hughes with the most interesting topic, Liam Beck as the best dressed, Riley Wendling with the best visuals, and Bella Vandegraff with the best overall presentation. Thank you to all our Huskies and the parents for their support.
National Honor Society, Student Council, and other participating students from Port Huron Northern volunteered at the field day at local elementary schools all week. The students had a great time celebrating their hard work through the school year with activities like playing basketball, racing, using bouncy houses, and playing with the parachute. Thanks to all of our volunteers for providing our future Huskies with a great day.
This past Tuesday and Wednesday, students in Mrs. DePlank's Anatomy and Physiology class took part in a hands-on fetal pig dissection. Here's Mrs. DePlank to tell us more about the experience.
So this year in anatomy, we have covered all of the organs. So the students have learned about the heart and how it pumps blood throughout the body. They've learned about the lungs and how it takes in oxygen and spits out carbon dioxide. And then we spent a lot of time with the digestive system. So looking at small intestine, large intestine, and the stomach. The fetal pig is very similar to human anatomy, so it's a very good look at what we look like on the inside, and I'm hoping that they learn how cool it is and that it's a lot of fun and it's not as scary as they think it might be.
Spring sports have mostly come to an end, but some of our teams finished their seasons on a high note. Let's check in with the sports studio for more.
Thanks, guys. Last weekend, 3 Port Huron Northern track and field athletes competed at the D1 state meet at Rockford High School. Junior Joey Lincoln cleared 6'1" in the high jump. Senior Sam Lingoff competed in the 2-mile. Her time of 11 minutes, 12 seconds was the fastest in school history, and she ended her career as a new record holder. Lastly, senior thrower Lincoln Watkins earned all-state honors in both the shot put and discus. Lincoln took 5th in the states in shot put with a throw of 54 feet 4 inches, as well as 7th in discus with a throw of 154 feet. Lincoln ends his high school career as only the second athlete in Northern history to earn all-state honors in multiple events. Congrats to all of our track athletes on a successful season.
Good luck to the boys golf team today as they begin play in the MHSAA Golf State Tournament at Ferris State University. The golf team recently qualified for the state tournament by earning a 3-way tie for first place at the regional. Junior Draven Rogers led the way for the Huskies by shooting a team best of 70 for 18 holes. Tee-off is set for this morning. Good luck to Coach Whymer and the boys golf team.
Speaking of Coach Whymer, Port Huron Northern has announced Coach Whymer as the new head coach of the boys varsity basketball program. Taking over for Coach Jameson, Coach Whymer brings nearly 2 decades of coaching experience, having served as a Husky JV coach and a varsity assistant for the past 18 seasons, as well as a former player at Port Huron Northern. Congratulations, Coach Whymer.
Although students probably don't want to think about the upcoming school year, Port Huron Northern cheer tryouts for the fall season are next week on June 9th and June 11th from 5 to 7 p.m. in the PHN cafeteria. All athletes must attend both dates in order to possibly make the team. Tryouts are for all levels and no experience is required. All athletes must have a current physical on file in order to participate.
And lastly, summer is here, and that means the Blue Water Volleygrass tournament is right around the corner. Held right here at Port Huron Northern, Volleygrass registration is open and has divisions for all ages and experience levels, including men's, women's, and co-ed. Volleygrass could not happen without your support. Hope to see you there.
That's it for sports. Now back to the main desk.
Thanks, guys. The end of the year is coming up, and for some teachers, this is the end of their time at PHN.
This year, PHN is set to say goodbye to Mr. Jameson, Mr. and Mrs. Houle, Miss Hussey, and Mrs. Hartson.
Before they leave for good, we got the chance to talk to them to reflect on their time at PHN.
Probably just the connections with the students. I think that's what it's all about. I mean, grades do matter, but they come and go. But it's really about the students and can you get along with them and try to make things fun for them. Do you agree? Okay, yeah, that sounds about right.
The obvious answer is the Japanese program. Over the years, for 31 years, we've had Japanese at Northern. I'm pretty proud of that.
It's been a long time that I've been here, but I would say what I'm happiest about is all the art programs, because when I started here, we only had 3 different kinds of programs. We didn't have digital design or photography or ceramics, so I'm really glad to have brought those back.
Just positivity. I hope they stay positive. I tried to tell a lot of jokes in class and just try to make it loose and easy and just stay relaxed, but you still got to keep working, and get stuff done, and you can't become a total doofus or anything like that. So partial doofus, okay. Total doofus, not okay.
I hope they didn't hate math, no. But overall, I hope they found some joy in math and just, had some fun coming to my class. That's something that I think hopefully they walk away with.
Number one is not that they love reading, but that they appreciate reading. I know that's lame, but it is so important. And I know JMO and Mr. Hull are going to give you funny answers, but this is so true to me and what I stand for and what I teach, that it's 100% such an important skill. And every class that I taught, this was 100% what was so important. And then I taught over and over that even if you don't love it, at least you have an appreciation for it. And the other thing is education, public education is so important in our government, and that you have a respect for the fact that you're getting an education.
I hope that they know that I value them and that kindness and hard work matter, and that basically they can do anything.
Sleeping in.
Probably get my husband off the couch.
I'll probably end up working somewhere else. I don't see me sitting around all the time, because if I do, I'll weigh 1,000 pounds within a month.
I don't have great plans. I'm going to watch my boys play basketball. They're both playing up at Lake Superior State, so I'll go to a lot of their games, and I'll just probably enjoy not setting my alarm, and no offense, Mr. Shaggy, not going to staff meetings. But yeah, I got to find some hobbies. Most of my hobbies have been math and basketball, so I'll still be at a lot of games and come to sporting events here, and hopefully find some new things to do.
Congratulations to all of our retiring teachers. Thank you for everything you've done for our students over the years, and we wish you the best of luck in retirement.
We sure are saying goodbye to some amazing teachers.
Not only that, but they were some of the best personalities on our show.
Speaking of, with this being the last episode of the PHN Roundup of the year, we thought we would look back and give out some awards to our favorite moments. We present to you the PHN Top Dog Awards.
Congratulations, Sam and Mr. Tainton. You won the Top Dog Award for Dumbest Moment on the Roundup.
Between the dryer and the refrigerator, the shirt no longer fits.
Can you still wear it?
No, because it's too small, because the refrigerator shrunk it.
Why'd you put it in the refrigerator?
During your interview with the Dad Joke segment.
Good job, Sam.
Congratulations.
I'm happy that you're not very smart.
Wow.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Mrs. Gibson. You have won the Port Huron Northern Top Dog Award for most takes
with your Strive for Safer Drive interview.
Hope students take away from this event.
I hope students take away from the event. Ask the question.
Part
again.
four.
Say it again. Sorry.
Part 4.
Safe driving is because whenever you get into a car, okay.
Okay. What is the goal of this event?
Hold on. I'm sorry.
No, you're good.
I have to think of like how to phrase. I hope
We
that
are
they can
redoing
learn-
part 3.
I'm so sorry. I'm bad at this.
No. Yes. Do we know how many there were?
I didn't count, but I think it was over
Probably
4.
Too many to count. Wow, how special is that? Thank you so much, everybody. I couldn't have done it without my See, I need a new take just to get through this. So it's just how things are. Okay, signing off. Thank you.
Congratulations, Mr. Neal. You won the Top Dog Award for biggest upset with Black Licorice beating the Starburst Jelly Beans. Congratulations.
The fact that Starburst Jelly Beans is a 3 seed and not the 1 seed is an initial problem. Starburst Jelly Beans is an elite Easter candy, and it's actually a crime that it's not available year-round. I'm not proud of this. I've stocked up on so much already, so that way I have a year's supply. Black licorice is a garbage candy, and I still can't believe. If this were a popular vote, I would have won. I'm going to get outraged again. Black licorice is a garbage candy for garbage people. Sorry, Mrs. Doss, Mr. Becker. I think you're great. Otherwise, garbage people, other people garbage. I can't think of one other person that likes black licorice.
I don't know. Congratulations. You guys won the Port Huron Northern Top Dog Award for most heartwarming moment in the roundup during Teacher Appreciation Week.
Oh, that's so nice. Look at that.
Really work.
Happy Teacher Appreciation Week.
Aww.
I got the prompt, give this to a teacher who always makes school fun, so I thought it was fitting for you.
Oh, that's super nice. That's what I try to do. That's super nice. Thank you, Abby. Thank you. That's very nice. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Aww.
Look at them all. That's so nice, Abby. That's so nice.
I don't know, they just came up to me and were like, you guys won!
Oh, I know, that was so sweet. I thought that was very nice. Thank you. I do really try to do that, so I try to always be kind to all my students. So I appreciate that you guys recognize that. Thank you.
Congratulations, Mrs. Collins. You have won the Port Huron Northern Top Dog Award for the most competitive.
I am! It's the 16. That threw me off! Correct.
Oh.
Of course.
Stays from 8 Civil War.
I missed the
I hit it too!
I hit my finger.
I got it first.
Your quiz bowl.
Thank you! Oh, thank you. That's awesome.
Congratulations, Mr. Dislerath. You have won the Port Huron Northern Top Dog Award for most school spirit.
Thanks. Fight on for Northern High School. Raise high the gold and blue. It's good to cheer for our team with colors waving. Our Huskies will come through.
Look at this guy.
Fight. Thank you. I'd like to send a special thanks to my students who don't know the fight song and encouraged me to know it.
Congratulations! You have won the Port Huron Northern Top Dog Award for Ugliest T-Shirt.
Woo! That's awesome. This was a gift from my favorite student whose name was Dylan. Country roads take me home to the place I belong. On behalf of all the bald staff members in our school, thank you for giving at least one of us an award. I hope others win too. And on behalf of the one person in the school who was in the Marysville Marching Band holding a trumpet, thank you for doing this all the time.
Congratulations, radio station, on the biggest technical difficulty. Congratulations, Sam, for winning the award for most viral moment when you shouted out the Port Huron Northern Roundup with Lola Winters.
Thank you. Where's Bull? I'm really honored to have this award.
Congratulations, Mr. Egan. You won the Top Dog Award for Best Trophy Lender.
I appreciate it. I accept this on behalf of all trophy lenders everywhere.
Mr. Jameson, you won the PHN Top Dog Award for Best Impression. We have Alex on FaceTime on
Oh
the
my
phone right
gosh.
now for his impression of you.
I didn't win anything. He won it then, right?
Both of you. It was a
Do I get
teamwork.
to see the what's up, man? I can't wait to see your impression of me.
It was
Mr. Jameson, does this look right?
Well, I mean, you're on the right track. Does anyone know how to do this? Well, I mean, I do, but does anyone know how to do this?
on the roundup.
Oh, was it already shown?
Yeah.
Oh, that was from a while ago, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I get this from you? No, I don't.
I don't.
Well, thank you. Thank you.
Very easy because he is very easy to imitate. So thank you for the award.
Congratulations, Mrs. Doss. You won the Top Dog Award for the funniest interview. But
No kidding.
specifically, your Christmas present interview.
Would you like to see a picture of that?
Yes, I would.
Would you? All right, hang tight. Boy, this is awesome. The funniest one I ever gave, well, it wasn't the funniest, but it was funny, is both my sister-in-laws, brother-in-laws and sister-in-laws have cats. And so I found someone to crochet, it looked like a cat coaster, you know, like what you'd put your drink on, but it was like the butt of the cat with the hole, a pink hole.
That's a great gift.
That's funny. See what I mean by the hole?
Ellie, I know what I'm going to get you for your birthday.
Please, please, please be cat coasters. That's it for this week's update, but tune in next school year for all things Port Huron Northern. Have a great summer and
Go Huskies! That was good.